What is good, YouTube? My name is CJ, this is CJ Knows Tech, and I'm back with another video. Today, I'm answering a question that I got a lot on my previous Whitestone Dome Glass installations. Now, I've done 3 of those so far. If you haven't seen them, check them out. I did one for the Galaxy Note 8, iPhone 8 Plus, Pixel 2, Pixel 2 XL. So a common question I get is how easy is it to remove? Now, I had an instant that I ran into while I was doing the Pixel 2 installation, literally, and I pointed it out in the video. If you've seen that video, then you know. But right in the corner of the screen, there was just a lack. We need like one more drop of adhesive for it to reach and fill in that corner. I had a little OCD about it or whatever, so we decided, and this was after I had cured it with the UV light. After you use the UV light, after 24 hours, then it's like fully cured. So as a disclaimer, it wasn't 24 hours later. I'll link the other removal videos down in the description below. So I'm gonna show you what happened and how easy it was to remove. And this is also good for you if you bought it and you put it on and then you don't like it or something's not right. There's always 2 of these adhesive tubes inside of the packaging. Whitestone Dome supplies this because they know you can make a mistake. So if you make a mistake, you got another tube of adhesive to start over again. Be patient when doing this. You don't want to break the glass, because you break the glass and there you go. Done data, it's finito, no more coming back. Do it slow, watch how I did it. So you'll see exactly how I went about removing this thing. All right, you guys, let's get straight to it. Now, right here in the top right corner, this is exactly where I needed, like literally one more drop of adhesive in order to make that part be fully connected. So basically what I ended up having to do was remove this screen protector. Now, I had already did the curing process with the UV light. So this was pretty much cured. As a disclaimer, it wasn't fully 100% cured. Like I said, after you do the UV light 24 hours, the next day, then it is legit cured on there. But even then, the removal process is not bad. So this is good for those of you who may have done the installation, but you're not happy with the result that you've gotten, like literally like right after, and you want to redo it. So this is how I would advise you to do it. Be very slow, very careful, very patient, because you don't want the glass to break. Now, this glass is very durable, but still, yet and all, let's treat it as if it's like as delicate as could be. So as you can see, I'm just sliding up and down while lifting. You can see literally where it's lifting away from the display. So I just like slowly kept going. You know, I was in tune with the glass and the pressure it was receiving. And I just wanted to make sure that I didn't snap it. And then before you know it, I got right to that point where I was pretty much good to go. Slid it down one last time and the glass came right off. After the glass comes off, there's the adhesive on there now. But the phone, if you look at the phone is like literally clean. It is clear. Like, I know I wiped it with the alcohol wipe, but like literally the adhesive is not on there. It seems that the adhesive is more so on the screen protector than it was the phone. So after this wipe down, this thing is good to go. If you're worried about adhesive being left on your phone after removing the screen protector, literally you don't have to worry. And you'll see that in the other videos that I leave in the description. I got some links down low to some other removal videos. Now, the process to getting it off the glass, I didn't take time to fully get that done. What I did was, since I had a second glass and I was on my friend's time, whose phone this was, I just went ahead and pulled out the second glass and threw that on there. So the second time around, I made sure I got all of that adhesive out and we were good to go. So that right there kind of gives you a slight demonstration of how easy it is to remove the Whitestone Dome Glass. And this is a great product. Back to me. You saw me remove it. It wasn't that hard, very simple. Well, you know, you just gotta be slow and patient. That's all it is. Even with the installation process, slow and patient. If you got those 2 combinations and you just be calm, you know what I mean? Breathe, woosah, you know what I mean? Get your meditation going. And then lay down that screen protector, you know what I mean? Just bow. And maybe some of you are nervous about making a mistake. And I just want to let you know it's cool, you know what I mean? It's set up in case you make a mistake for you to be able to rebound and recover and still get your glass on. As you can see, I'm an avid user. It is on my Galaxy Note 8. And it's been on my device for months now and I still love it. It's still working, it's still responsive. S Pen works just fine. No issue with this thing. I highly recommend it. I push these products not because I don't have any incentive. I'm not paid to do this. I push them because I am like genuinely enthusiastic about the technology that they put into the application of this screen. Like, I'm hype about it. I like it. Like, before I even got it, when I was just looking up and researching screen protectors for my Note 8, and then I came across this one, that installation process right there made the most sense to me out of all of the screen protectors I looked at. So I was like, yo, I reached out to Whitestone Dome and got them involved with sending me product for this channel. And I'm still hugely thankful to Whitestone Dome for consistently sending me product. You know, I've done the iPhone, we've done the Galaxy Note 8, and we've done the Google Pixel 2. I've pretty much done a giveaway on every single one. Pixel 2 XL users, click on the video at the end of this video or in the description, or go to my channel, find a video of me doing the installation process on this. I have all of the rules and regulations on how to enter that giveaway, but I'm giving it away too, baby. Why not you? I'm only doing the Pixel 2 XL because, like I said, I had to use the second Pixel 2 one on the installation. You know what I'm saying, man, or else I would have given that one. Man, I'm sorry, you know, I like to give, I really do. Get in that giveaway, man, and get you one. I still have this one. I have yet to do an iPhone X. I don't know if I ever will get my hands or know anyone who has an iPhone X. Probably more than likely gonna end up giving these off. So if you're an iPhone X user and you're looking into this, comment down below and I might hook you up. I'm the Whitestone Dome plug. Smash that like button, smash that sub button. Yeah, so I have fun doing this. I have fun pushing this product. I have fun doing these videos, as you can see. Like I said, I got links in the description down below to other videos. And if you know, or if you've had the same instance with this screen protector in the application process, and you know some tips and tricks to help people remove the adhesive and restart again, leave it down below. Again, my name is CJ. I love tech. This is CJ Knows Tech, and thank you for watching. Don't forget, smash that like button, hit that sub button. I'll be back with more awesome, real honest tech videos. I'm out.